My name's Kenny. I'm the warehouse manager here at Green Suites Project Planet, and I'll take you guys through a little tour of what we have here. Basically, here is the main shipping station. This is where, after I process the orders, I'm going to get the orders, read them. This is where I keep all my boxes, tape, basically anything that I need to package any order that's going out is pretty much in this general area here. You come right over here. This is basically like the station that I use when it's a product that basically has to be mixed up or anything like that, basically made to order. This is pretty much the station. All the supplies, labels, everything are kept here. The bread and butter of Green Suites is our dispenser and amenities program. This area right here is where we keep the general stock, pool stock of dispensers. Per se, if a customer maybe has a couple of bad dispensers and they just need a couple, shipped to their property, this is where I'm going to get it from, rather than where we keep the larger stock of them. And then right over here, you have this is basically lights and plumbing materials. We don't do a whole lot of business with that, but it's basically things that help with the flow of water, so people are conserving water, and then light bulbs that conserve energy. Pretty much standard like you would see in a hardware store. Here is the Project Planet pool cart. Project Planet is linen and towel reuse programs. They're just basically really pretty cards that we give to the hotels that allow the guests to choose not to wash their linens and towels, so to speak, every day. So that's also to help conserve. This right here is the plastics pool stock. We do gallons and 32-ounce bottles of some of the products we do, and this is basically, if I got to make something to order, this is where I'm going to get the plastics from. Along this wall here, all these white things, they're called Cubitainers. They're filled with shampoo, conditioner, soaps that we use. We have 10 different products that we have here. Right now, I'm a little bit low on stock. Normally, you're going to see quite a bit more on the pallets, and we basically pull from that every day to fulfill the orders. This area right here is Nature's Mist, which is an environmentally safe air freshening type agent, and the machines that we use to dispense it are also with it. And this area right here is another company that we offer more of a boutique style item to some of our customers. It comes from Sonoma, which is a part of a company named Marietta. And let's see, right here you're looking at Green Suites and My Worst Nightmare. It's non-refillable cartridges. It's something that we're having to just recently take on for our Best Westerns clients, and we're learning as we go along. And then this wall right here, up on the top, is the dispensers, like where you saw the pool card earlier. This is where we keep the bulk of our dispenser stock. And basically, those white boxes that you see over there, this is what's inside of them. It's a 5-gallon container of soap or shampoo, whichever you like. These totes, here, actually I can bring it over here and show you pretty much how the dispensing works also. Yeah, here's basically you turn this valve on, we empty it into there, cap it up, box it up, ship it out. Yeah. And then this big area right here is the Project Planet. This is all the bulk stock of that as well. That's pretty much it.
Awesome, dude. Thanks.
No problem.
Thanks. How long does it take for you to fill one of this?
It all depends on the product. Some of the products are a little bit thicker consistency than others. The thicker the product, the slower it's going to dispense. Like right now, you would look at this at roughly halfway full, and because it's a thicker product, it's dispensing very, very slowly. I would say it's taking me about 5 minutes to fill them up completely. But with a brand new fresh tote with the products that aren't so thick, this is really truly the thickest product we have. But when we just crack them open, I can probably, as long as they don't, what can tend to happen is in the little opening, if too much comes, it'll back up. You got to stop it, let it sink back down. No problems. You can get one of these things to fill up in 25-30 seconds on the full tote. Yeah.